Farm workers are critical to the U.S. economy, but despite them being one of the most essential jobs for food security, they're among the lowest paid workers, leading to many workers struggling to find affordable housing.
How do we house our farm workers? How do we safely and affordably house our farm workers? That's a very important topic.
Monday afternoon, the Department of Agriculture Rural Housing Service held a roundtable to engage local stakeholders, along with Washington representatives on housing for local farm workers.
And we're particularly interested in solutions here in Idaho because we know that Idaho is growing so quickly. We have such a need for affordable housing and housing solutions and workforce housing.
Despite farm workers' long days and hours, 1 out of 3 farm working families earn income below the federal poverty line. An average individual farm worker earns under $20,000 a year. With the cost of living in Idaho going up, farm workers, like many Idahoans, are then forced to set aside most of their paycheck for housing. To help, the USDA address the resources they can provide to Idaho and are working on a partnership to serve local farm workers better.
First time in many years that we've been able to obligate all of our dollars. And so we're here now to speak to our partners and say, we have programs that are aggressively priced, that are here to help build farm worker housing in Idaho.
During the roundtable, the USDA also announced $1 million in grants to the Community Council of Idaho for the Rigby Community Clinic, who helps serve the growing migrant and seasonal agriculture workers in the region. Christina Bautista, Idaho News 6.